Welcome to the first video in the JPS VIA Administrative Portal tutorial series. In this video, we will walk through a high-level overview of the JPS VIA Administrative Portal, which provides the ability for a JPS customer to create users, send activation codes, add contacts, and configure talk groups. Once your JPS VIA account has been set up, you'll need to log into the Management Portal to add and configure users and talk groups. In the email received from JPS Sales, you'll see a link to set your password. Open the link and you'll be prompted to change or create a new password. Once you have created a new password, you'll be prompted to log in with your email and the password that you created. Logging in will bring you to the JPS VIA Management Portal. When you first log in, you'll have a view of your enterprise details. An enterprise is made up of departments. Within each department, you will be able to view and modify users and talk groups. When you first log in, verify that the correct department is selected. Under the proper department, you will see a Users tab. By clicking on the Users tab, you will be able to view, add, and edit all of your users. You can add users to a department one at a time by clicking the Add button. When adding a user, the required information is user login, first name, and last name. If you wish for the activation code to be sent directly to a user, you will need to enter either their phone number and wireless carrier or their email. Setting the priority allows higher level users the ability to interrupt conversations between lower priority users, if need be. Once you've added a user, click Submit to create the account and to send an activation text or email to the device. To edit a particular user's information, click the Users tab, find the user in the table, and click on their username. Click the Edit button to change any settings. If you need to resend an activation method, click Resend Activation instead of Submit. If a user wishes to change the device that they have JPS VIA activated on, you'll need to clear their public key before moving forward. Here we will add a second user to be able to display the contact interface between the two users. After selecting a specific user, you can view their Contacts tab to see what other users they have available as current contacts. If additional users are required under their contact list, you can either add them separately or bulk add them here. You can also delete contacts if necessary. Eligible contacts include users in the existing user's department, as well as any other departments that they are associated with. To view a user's groups, select the user by clicking on their name and then press the Groups tab. This will display all groups that the user currently is a member of. To view all talk groups available to a department, click on the top level Groups tab. Here all existing groups are listed. Talk groups can be modified by selecting the group and clicking on the Edit button. Talk groups may also be added to fit any need available. If your version of JPS VIA has radio gateways enabled, you will find these gateways listed under the RTP gateway label. This is regardless if it is a VoIP or an RTP gateway. All radio gateways are added and configured by JPS technical support team. In order to view usage statistics of your JPS VIA account, click on the Usage tab. This will display 3 graphs showing the number of users, the number of calls, and call duration in minutes. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and please be sure to check out our other videos going into more detail regarding the modification of user settings, talk groups, and templates.